Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Google reviews for my business. Let's get started. So once you reach your web browser, you are going to open up a new tab and you're going to type in Nice Job. So now after you search up Nice Job, you are going to click on this link which says Nice Job official website. So after you're done clicking on that link, you'll be greeted to this page. Now it says, welcome, my name. Want help getting reviews rolling in, talk to a real person, and then you can click on get free, set up help, and you can continue from there. So now we have two options. You can start free or book a demo. So you would want to click on start free. So after you have created an account, you're going to be greeted by this page and it's going to say review sites, connect with your review sites to collect reviews. So as you can see here, we have different websites that we can connect to our Nice Job. So Google, Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Capterra, City Search, G2, HomeStars, TripAdvisor, and Zillow, then so on. And they have more if you click on next. So instead of sending emails to hundreds to thousands of people manually, which can be daunting and tiring, you're going to use Nice Job and then you just have to link your account. So then once it's done linking, people will be automatically receiving mails from you telling them to leave you a review. So if you want to connect to Google, you go and select that and then click on connect. So after I've included my Google email address, it's going to say select the Google page to connect to Nice Job. So my business, which is called Lordson's Bakery, is over here and I'm just going to select that. And there you go. So Lordson's Bakery, invite customers to leave reviews on Google, so which is amazing. Now this Google business, I created it a long time ago. So when I linked my email address, it found this business under my email address. So then you just go to click on save. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.